Yo guys, Kevin Cesario with the C Group. Today, I cannot wait to show you 774 Belden. This place is awesome. 2 units, large 2-2 downstairs and a 1-1 upstairs. We're talking about panoramic ocean views, big time views of the bay. 2 blocks from the aquarium, 2 blocks from the bike path, 2 blocks from the water's edge. Walk down to a restaurant. This place is spectacular. Use one as a guest house. Stay in both, keep one as an office. Rent one, stay in one. It's amazing. You gotta come see it for yourself. So this downstairs is an incredible 2-bedroom, 2-bath, open concept, tons of living space, remodeled, and views everywhere. It's got a washer dryer in unit, plenty of space to spread out, and an amazing deck to look at the bay. And the upstairs is fantastic. It's a 1-1 laundry in unit, got an amazing fireplace, a huge deck with panoramic views of the bay. This is the perfect either second home rental. If you have guests coming, come up here or make this a private study. It is fantastic. And the back here comes with a ton of additional parking, 2 garage stalls, place to relax, spread out, set up a little barbecue area. It is spectacular. So if you want more information or you want to see this property, give me a call. I'd love to show it to you.